Do you want to cook easily with a powerful and safe 3-zone ceramic hob? In this video, we present the models that offer power, reliability and simple operation. All links are in the description below. For the best experience, it is important to choose a hob with zones adapted to your pans, touch controls and quick cleaning. We selected the 3 best 3-zone ceramic hobs available. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more appliance comparisons. Here are the 3 best 3-zone ceramic hobs, from the most affordable to the premium choice. First of all, the Cooksir 3-zone ceramic hob combines power, safety and practicality for worry-free cooking. Its 3 heating zones of 1,800 watts, 1,200 watts and 2,400 watts adapt to all preparations, with 9 power levels totaling 5,400 watts for gentle simmering, boiling or quick searing. The programmable timer up to 99 minutes and the safety features such as child lock, overheating protection, residual heat warning and automatic shutoff ensure reliable and safe use. The high-quality ceramic glass surface is easy to clean, and the hob is compatible with all types of pots and pans with a flat base. With dimensions of 59 cm by 52 cm by 5.2 cm and a 220 to 240 volt connection, it installs easily for optimal everyday cooking. Next, the 3-zone ceramic hob from Norton delivers a total power of 5,500 watts with one dual-zone burner that adapts to both small and large cookware, making everyday cooking more flexible and efficient. The stainless steel frame protects the surface and adds durability, while the smooth black glass wipes clean easily after use. Its touch slide control lets you adjust 9 power levels precisely, so switching from simmering to boiling feels quick and intuitive. Safety has clearly been considered thanks to the child lock, residual heat indicator, overheat protection and a convenient timer that shuts the hob off automatically. Designed to be hardwired at 240 volts, this 24-inch built-in model gives a modern, seamless installation that suits compact kitchens while still offering strong performance across all cooking tasks. Finally, the DingYiHanHan 3-zone ceramic hob is a practical solution for smaller kitchens thanks to its plug-in design working on 110 volts while still delivering up to 2,600 watts total power. Each burner has 9 adjustable levels, allowing gentle braising or high heat frying with a simple touch, and all settings are shown clearly on the digital display. Several protection features are included such as child lock, residual heat warning, auto shutdown and a pause function for extra peace of mind during busy cooking moments. The smooth black ceramic glass gives a modern appearance and makes cleaning fast with just a wipe. It can be installed as a built-in unit or placed on the countertop using the included brackets, and its compatibility with all cookware types adds welcome flexibility for everyday use. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.